Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Watch Only Wallet. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So if you are in your Watch Only Trust Wallet on the Trust Wallet application, and if you are facing problem in withdrawing your cryptos from it, then what you need to do is to simply come back on the home page where you will be able to see the Trust Wallet icon. So you simply need to long press on it, and then you will be able to see this uninstall button. So you simply need to tap on this uninstall button. And you first have to uninstall your Trust Wallet application from your device. Now for any reason, if you are not able to see uninstall or remove button after pressing on the Trust Wallet app, then you need to select your settings, and in the settings, you just have to scroll down and then tap on apps. In the apps, go to search bar, you simply need to search for Trust Wallet. Once done, you will be landed on the app info of Trust Wallet, where in the bottom you will be able to see this uninstall button. So if you tap on it, it will ask you to confirm it. So in order to confirm it, you need to press OK. And this way you will be able to uninstall your Trust Wallet from here. Afterwards, you need to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar, you will have to search for Trust Wallet. And then you just have to download and install Trust Wallet. Basically the updated Trust Wallet application in your device. Then you will be able to see the home page in front of you, where you will be asked to provide the wallet address. So you just have to log in into your Watch Only wallet, and then you just have to initiate the transfer. This way you will be able to withdraw from your Watch Only wallet. So that's basically how you can withdraw from Watch Only wallet. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.